Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept, 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into activation function. Think of a concert, sound system. As the singer's voice rises and falls, the amplifier decides how loud the output should be. Not too soft, not too distorted. That decision making is what activation function do in neural network. Without them, every neuron would just act like a plain calculator, blindly multiplying and adding numbers. But with activation functions, these neurons learn to highlight important signals, suppress the noise, and form non-linear relationship, which is the secret sauce behind deep learning. Different activation functions define how strongly a neuron should activate in response to the inputs. Without them, no matter how many layers you stack, the entire network behaves like a linear function. And here the most commonly used are sigmoid function, tanh, ReLU, that is rectified linear unit. And of course, leaky ReLU, ELU, and Swiss or advanced variant that fix ReLU's dying neuron problem. These functions allow networks to learn complex patterns like distinguishing a cat from a dog by learning non-linear decision boundaries. Dear friends, activation function are like volume knob. They control the signal strength and add the flexibility your model needs to learn deeply and creatively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy learning, dear friends.